my name is Mike and I work in Hunter Technical Support Department. Today we'll be reviewing how to adjust a PGP rotary style sprinkler. So here we have the adjustment of rotary style sprinklers. In this instance we have the classic PGP. To make the two adjustments we'll be using the Hunter adjustment wrench. The adjustment wrench has two sides. One is the Allen wrench side, and that's used for the radius adjustment. And the opposite end has a plastic T-piece which is used for the arc adjustment. To adjust the radius, look for the raised arrow on top of the rubber cap, and that indicates where the orifice is for the nozzle. Simply install the Allen wrench into the raised arrow and clockwise spins the screw down in front of the nozzle to deflect the spray, or if you go counterclockwise, about a half a turn to a turn, you'll get more distance out. But that's the radius adjustment. The arc adjustment, for right now, I've got this lined up here in the middle of the lawn area, but the right-hand stop is the fixed point. The entire sprinkler is already affixed snugly to the riser assembly down below. So the entire unit will not move, just the turret. At this point in time, we have about a little bit more than 90 degrees. Once again, the right stop is the fixed stop. I'll use the plastic T end of the key, and you'll see here the other orifice has the plus and minus circle. That is for the arc adjustment. Insert the key and spin it slightly. You'll feel it fall into the channel. You'll know you're locked in place. If you want to increase the circle from 90 and beyond, simply turn the key in the positive direction. You can check where you're at by spinning the turret. Over to your fixed stop is the right, that's always a constant. And I've spun it in the positive direction, so now we've increased our circle. If I want to decrease that circle, I'll go counterclockwise or in the negative direction. And we go back to the fixed stop, which is the given. And now we're only coming to this much in degrees. Otherwise, increase or decrease. Right side is the fixed, and your plus or minus will open or close your left stop.